Hi, AJ Jenkins here with the Automated Parking Company. I'm here in New Jersey, just on the Hudson. You can see New York here over my shoulder. We're installing a bespoke, 3-high, semi-automated puzzle solution. The only one like this in the US. One of the largest installations for semi-automated puzzle parking systems here in this region. We're offering 100% EV for all 100+ spaces. And we're also offering the first of its kind, a 7,000 pound rated lifting capacity system. Hang tight, I'm gonna show you some more. We're gonna walk inside and show you what this looks like, and also define the differentiators and the value adds that we offer this particular property.